Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your Hulu subscription, and yeah, let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is an online streaming service akin to Netflix where you can watch shows, movies, other videos, and so on and so forth online. It is a purely US service. There is no, it's not available outside the US. This can be circumvented through the use of VPNs, so make sure to check out my other tutorials on how to do that. And as I've said, it is a subscription-based service, which means that you will have to make a monthly payment for you to continue to use this service. Now, once you're already subscribed, you also have the option to unsubscribe, and this is what I will be explaining to you guys in this tutorial. Now, there are several packages, the subscription packages, which you can select, going all the way from I think $6 up to $24 or more. So make sure you choose wisely what you want to subscribe to. However, if you're already subscribed and you want to change your plan or something of that nature, this is how you do that. I mean, you can also change your plan without canceling your subscription. However, this is how you cancel it. Now, what you need to do is go into your account page on your either computer or mobile browser. Then you want to go click cancel under subscription. You will be presented with the option to pause the subscription, which means that your subscription will be continued after a certain period in time, and then you can do that if you so wish. However, you can also just outright cancel it by selecting cancel subscription, and that is pretty much the end point. Your subscription will be canceled. As you can see here on the example page, you can see cancel subscription right here. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.